Hey there, second graders. Are you ready for some Ready Math? You're gonna need to get your book if you don't have it in front of you. Pause the video. You can go grab it and come back. Now, I took my pages out because it's easier for me to teach and work with you guys on this. So remember, our learning target goal in math this week is making a 10 to help us add or subtract. Now this page today is page 21, but it is asking us, you're going to be my partner or your partner at home, we're going to talk about the problem that we did yesterday in that open number line. So I'm going to take a peek at that to remind myself. It says, look at the open number line in problem 3. Why do you add 2 to 8? So here's problem 3. And it's asking us, why did we add 2 to 8? Here's 8. And do you remember we added 2 more? Why did we do that? Why do you think we did that? I'm going to go back here and I'm going to write what I think why we added 2 to 8. We did that to make a, what do you think? 10. You guessed it, to make a 10. The next question says, why do you add 6 next? So we're going to go back to that problem 3. So we added 2 to make a 10. Then why did we add 6 more? Why did we add 6 more? Think about that. Well, we needed to add 8 altogether. We had to add 8 altogether, right? In all, and 2 and 6 more make 8. So we're going to go back here and we're going to write our answer. So you need to add 8 in all. And 2 plus 6 equals 8. So we added 2, then we added 6 more because we had to add 8 in all. All right, now the next one says we have to look at the open number line in problem 5. And it's asking us, why do you first subtract 3 from 13? Think about that. Why did we subtract 3 from 13? So here's problem 5. I'll remind you. You can look at yours too. Okay? So it's asking us, why do we first subtract 3 from 13? Right here. Did you say because we needed to make a 10? You're correct. Bingo. To make a 10. So we use that make a 10 strategy to add or subtract. Then it's asking us, why do you subtract 4 next? So we'll go back there. First, we took 3 away to make a 10. Why did we subtract 4 more? Think about that. Why 4 more? Well, if we look up at this problem, how many do we have to subtract in all? Altogether, we have to take 7 away, don't we? We took 3 away. We had to take 4 more away to subtract 7 in all. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to write why we had to take 4 away next. You need to subtract 7 in all. And we know that 3 plus 4 more would equal 7. So we had to subtract 4 more. Okay? All right. We have one more thing to do, and then this is our only page we're going to work on today. Keep working at it. Keep trying. All right, we're going to try another way, and we're going to use a ladder model. See how it looks like a little ladder with these numbers on it? And we're going to fill in the blanks to add or subtract. The first problem says to find 8 plus 6 by adding up. Adding up. So that means we're going to start down here and add up. So 8 plus how many more would equal 10? 8, 9, 10. We would need 2 more. So if I have 8, right? Another way is looking at your 8 fingers. We would need 2 more to make a 10, right? So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now we're going to slide that 10 up. We had 8, added 2 more to get to 10. And then 10 plus how many more? Well, we have to add 6 in all. We added 2, and we can think of 6 as 2 and how many more? What do you think? Did you say 4? 4 and 2 would make 6 in all, wouldn't it? So 10 plus 4 is 14. So what does 8 plus 6 make? What do you think? It's going to equal the same sum, isn't it? 14. You got it. All right, one more. Keep working. You're doing great. The next one is to find 14 minus 6 by subtracting down. So this means we're going to start here. See where it says start? And we're going to subtract going down this time. All right, so 14 minus 6. We have 14. How many would we have to take away to make a 10? What do you think? Did you say 4? Yep. If you take the 4 away, you'd have a 10 left, wouldn't you? Now, here's a tricky part. So we had 14. We took 4 away to get to 10, but remember we have to take 6 away in all. So 10 minus, what do you think? Remember, we can think of 6 as 4 and 2 more, right? So we have 4 we took away, we need to take away 2 more. So 10 minus 2 equals 10 minus 2 equals 8. So that means 14 minus 6 is, it's going to be the same, isn't it? 8. All right. Good job. Make sure you take a picture, send it.